Shashank Singh. He hasn't bowled in the last few games. He does have the ability to bowl gentle medium. Another what looks like could be a master stroke here from Surya Kumar Yadav.
We've been going on from the beginning about Surya's decisions. We've kind of baffled with what he's been doing, but he's been getting every one of them spot on. To start with, we thought it was a bit late to come into bat at number 7, but then his whole idea was to stay till the end, got an amazing 90 to bat with. Then bringing on the two seamers to finish off early, bowling the 17th and the 18th, and now a fresh bowler to bowl the last over. 6! First ball 6 was in the slot. What a shot that is. Shivam Dube. That's the first one. We'll need a few more of that. We were just saying 26 might be a bit too many. Maybe Shivam Dube doesn't think so.
Unless he did start the last over with a 6. But the difference here, he needs to keep going. He needs 3 more of these. 3 more. Or maybe 4.
Another one gets the boundary here. Change in lane. A bit shorter this time around. Gets the boundary over the square leg region. Playing the field, he knew exactly what he was doing. Knew exactly where the fielders were. Just up and over. Another 6! That's a huge 6! Almost into the third tire here. Winner of Ganapath Kambli, and the entire stadium is pumped up right now. We have a game here. We have this game wide open now. 10 minutes of 3 balls.
What a hit that, what a hit. Second tier of the Garware Pavilion. Off she goes.
Bringing in Shank for the big over. Oh, well bowled. Well bowled. Just get a feeling he probably had a chance to get 2 there. Nevertheless, at least he's got Dube still on strike. It's 10 of 2.
I think it's a big miss here. Could have made the equation a little better. Now he can't miss this ball. He has to go big this ball. This is special. This is really special. T20 Mumbai at its best.
6! That's another 6! Oh my, oh boy! What cricket is happening here? Outstanding batsmanship by Shivam Dube. You beauty. You are a superstar here. Bringing him back to 4 of the last one.
Well, what a game of cricket. What a game of cricket. He wanted a last ball finish here. He wanted the match to go to a result on the last ball of the 40th over. And here we are, the last ball of the 40th over. Still no winner.
We've already had last ball finishes. Akash Parkar, Dhrumal Matkar. Can we have another one here? No, not to be! Not to be! Change in length. Was looking for the full ball. The length was much shorter. Shivam Dube misses out. He must be devastated. Vinod Kambli is devastated here. But look at that, the Triumph Night boys. They are elated. They have defended 182. We've always said it's been a chasing surface, but the Knights win it by 3.
Well, what a finish here. What a finish. What a final ball to bowl there by Shashank Singh. He is devastated here. Shivam Dube, what an innings he's played. But then what a clever little ball to finish off. Bouncer. Nobody would have expected that ball. He certainly didn't. We've seen the Wankhede have a lot of Lions fans, and they are delighted.